ke o whangai ngai whatapko so no a whakika e atamua mo oku ke whahoko atu whatongia pia mei he kautahi koe ni spare parts zone and auto saver I he pompongini aia o ku whamafolanga tono atu pia mei he whanga o PILOLEVU hangepe ko ia ko mo mea I he whatalatala noa mai pia mo pala pase ngai aho ko mariu atu o ku whai ai lulu lahi pia ko lulu koe ni koe nau palau aia ko taupe I he tō mua koe ni ai wharikoloa spare parts zone pia mohono whailonga I koe ni ai tau e tō noa koe ai whai whatongia a Rasanki kai o maai kau whahoko whatongia koe ai mo ai kau taha koe ni spare parts zone ai koe tau e tōlu noa ai nau whai whatongia kako ihene mo palavi I he hawani Aia te o ange peka lavi ke ne whatalatala noa tupe I he pompongini koe uhi koe ngahi teu lahi koe nu whahoko e he kautahani. Malo pa lavi.
Lulu pake ahoni ulua. Aia koe pale uluaki, koe koe palau aka akape. Ta koe palau koe ni, oku anu akaha pa mohono matakini. Ai palau koe ni, palau po ou, te aike second hand e palau koe ni, koe first hand pe. Ta koe ai toki pa moe, lulu e taha whahoko ko lulu e ta whaaki steel. Ai ko nau tonu ko toa pena nau whakatau pe unga me whaaka jau ni manoa. O ku lulu ia e mau miusini kini ko ni. Na ko tui ko e fuafua toko taha ni tene ikuna a miusini kini ko miusini whakamaka. Me angepe ko tene konto o o. Ko ne maka pe maka whakafonu hoko atuera hookosi. Ai ko e pale ia I ta whaaki ko ia steel. Kua tu ke he kapau te ai ha mea kehe o ke loto ke whawhehu ia he tapolo kalama, whau pito. Ka koe whakalakala noa koe ni ka inga whakahoko hanga tono atu pa mei he loto wharekoloa koe ia ai spare parts. Tono wai whamalopo ke heni ki he manoa media, nau heni mo nau tolu koe whahoko pe ai whaita, pia mohono whahoko me whanki video, ke whailonga I aki ai tau tolu noa.
Ka I he houani, o ku Ia I tonu whakapalavi pa mo taha kau whai a whakawhi koe ni pia mei Australia ko tui pe mahalo ko mei muri taha kau whafofonga whakawhi ia a Rasaki I he pompongini Ka koe ia te tau kolos ka lavi
Mau whaika maali e koe pompongini koe taitalele ka te kumotolu koe taha ni o e whafofonga o kune whingawe aki pa mo e kau tahani ka ko tui te ngawe aki a e lea whapiritania Ke lava ke whahoko e te pōtano aki koe ni. Thank you so much for your time on this morning. And I just introduced to the people of Tonga that you're one of the supplier to Spare Parts Zone. But before we moved on, I would like to ask yourself, can you please introduce yourself? And then we'll move on from there.
All right, I'm Don Hitchings. I'm a supplier to Razak. I'm an automotive parts supplier out of New Zealand. Company name of Burricks Trading.
So what kind of products that you're supplying for Spare Parts Zone?
Anything automotive pretty well. We cover everything, all makes and models. So that's why Razak comes to us a lot, because of all the odd models of vehicles you've got in Tonga, we also have in New Zealand.
Can you share more? How do you feel like working together with Razak, and how long have you been working with Mr. Razak?
I first met Razak actually 30 years ago when he started this venture here, but did not become a supplier for another 5 years. So we've been actually supplying Razak for about 26 years now. He is at times not the easiest of customers to supply, but over all that time we've built a good friendship and we've all come a long way.
I think I have spoken to the right person. According to what you've shared, that you've been friend with him for more than 30 years, if I'm not wrong. And how do you see the company, as how you said, supplying for more than 26 years? Can you please share what's the difference from the beginning of your building your relationship with him comparing to today?
Comparing to today to what it was back then is no compromise. It's completely different. When he first started here, it was a little wee shop. There was Razak and maybe 2 other people. And I used to come up here and think, is this bloke going to make it or not? But being who Razak is, he made it. And has he ever made it to this building, which is just a tremendous, one of the best automotive shops that I've seen in all of the Pacific Ocean that I travel and sell to.
Thank you so much for that very beautiful sharing that you're with. And coming up to the last of our little interview. Is there anything else that you would like to say that I never asked or share to the people? And also share your experience. Thank you.
No, not really, other than that Razak has turned out to be one of the best customers that I've had, and that we've built a personal relationship, and that's what's made it so different with dealing with this company here in Tonga.
And lastly, how do you feel about this trip to Tonga?
Oh, I'm great, because I haven't been up since pre-COVID times, and I'm so pleased to be back and to celebrate it with Razak.
When was the last time that you visited Tonga?
2018.
2018. Thank you so much. And you see today, you like it here?
Oh, I love it. I love it.
What's the best food of Tonga that you ever tried?
Well, actually, I had a great lamb curry last night, which I really appreciated. It was great.
Thank you so much for your time, Tom. And I hope you have a great time here in Tonga. And thank you for making it here to Tonga to support us here, especially on this very important time on the 30th anniversary. And it's nice to officially meet you too.
Yes, very good to meet you. Thank you.
Ko tū koe lawa ka kato ia ki whatalanoa I he pompongini pia moe ngai whamatara koe nuk o mai pa me he whafofonga koe ni o kune lawa koe ia whakahoko ne vahe he koe hange koe lawe koe toki ai ne whaika maalia ke lawa ke whakatalanoa ai pia moe tahanga hi whafofonga koe ni anai nai ange pe e halafue e ai pe moha taha ti toi talanoa mo ia whelawe I pia moe ngahi te ngawe aki koe ne ku whakahoko ka koutu ko ki whamatala no pia ko lava mao ko ia I he whainga maalia ko ni malo au pito. Malo pito e mau whainga maalia ko e pongpongini ene ko te ai mo e taha o e kau whapofonga ko e kau supply ene ko ia ki he kau taha ko he spare part zone. Pia ko ato e whamalo lai ke te kumotono mo mea mai ke tau polo kalama. It's a beautiful morning today, and I know it's very important for the company for the 30th anniversary. It's not an easy thing. How I have experienced it, it's not a very easy thing. And walking in that 30 years, like I said, there's up and downs. And I'm very happy and glad that I finally get to meet with you. So right now, I just wanted to give you a chance to introduce yourself, and then we'll go from there.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Mike from ABD Group, Auckland, New Zealand, and loving the weather here in Tonga.
So can you, before we moved on, can you share, have you been to Tonga or this is your first time?
This is actually my second time. I came a couple of years before COVID, and obviously it's time to get out and visit the friendly people again, and loving every moment.
How do you feel being here in Tonga since, like how you said, it's been a couple of years ago? How do you feel about coming to Tonga lately?
Fantastic, actually, and you've surprised me with the amount of traffic here and the new buildings and the business which is going on. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mike. In this moment, I would like you to share how long have you been working with Spare Part Zone, and what do you think about cooperating with the company?
Oh, right. So, yeah, we first started business with Razak Spare Parts in 1996. So, back then I was a young lad packing orders for SPZ, sorry. And since then I've grown to automotive manager and a great relationship with Razak and SPZ. The biggest thing I've noticed about Razak is his friendliness and willingness to make everybody happy, and the price comes after that.
I think I'm speaking to the right person as well. Since you said that you've been working with him on 96, am I right?
Yes.
What do you think about how you see yourself to Spare Part Zone since from 96 to now?
Oh yeah, we've noticed that the level of parts and service that he's offering to Tonga has grown tenfold, and he's really done the community a great service, and he's really built something special here in Tonga.
Mike, thank you so much for that very lovely sharing that you have done. And like I said, this is my formally get to meet you, get to understand, and how I can see. I think you're one of the people. It's the backbone of Razak, and it's been traveling from 96 to currently now. I know it's a very long time. Is there anything else that you wanted to share?
Oh, all I can say is, look, he's putting on a great party today, so come on down, and there's some great prizes, and let's hope we see you all in this beautiful weather.
How long are you going to be here in Tonga?
Or I'm returning on Tuesday next week, so I'm hoping to get out and see a few of the sites after this and enjoy the friendly people.
How's the weather?
The weather's hot for an Aucklander.
Is there any Tongan food that you like?
To be honest, I like it all, but I had a beautiful meal last night with some lamb and a few things in there, and some homemade sweets suited me good.
Thank you so much, Mike, for your time. I hope you have a great day today, and not only that, I promise you're going to enjoy these left time before you're going to leave on Tuesday.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Ko tui ko e taha ia e ngai whamatala mahu inga au pito na lava ke mau ko uhi ko e tangata ko ni kune hanga o supply mai e ngahi ko loa ko ia ki he kautaha spare part zone ka mata me he tau tahiva hiva ono o au mai ko e ke tainimi pe hangai ko me na lave ko ki ai ki mua he polo kalama o mai he tale kita ai kau fafofonga me to pureanga pe ko tui ko ki nau tolo ne ngahi hui tua o ku nau poupou mo tu ta faaki ko ia ki he tale kita e ono fetuku mai ngahi koloa ko ni ko tuipe anai nai ange e ai pe ha ko ki fa matala mo taha ka fafofonga ko me to pureanga ka wate fa malo lai ka tek mo tolu e tau ka fa taha ko ia i he howani malo apito e halafue
Malo apito e Paula pe hange pe ko mo me abai ki ai ho e fa mo tau kainga ko e fa e ke ia pe mo taha e ka fa fe ko ia ka taha spia ba zone i he pompongini ai au ko rotonga fa hoko atai pe me he fale tolo ko ne ka taha ko ne spia ba zone
Hello, hello, for all to hapai. Ema wa ulahi pe motongani. Mokuni ma whanonga mai, I pusi vai. Oh, 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 pia tita. E tunga pasi, no te ki onunga no mai soa. Papangu siliva ku o si pai, o si etikai. Ilong masi asol uke ata e te uwai na pagkatua e mai no si otoino I kusiliwa Olo olo o tuha apai e mawa ulahi pe motogani o kuni ma whanonga mai I kusiliwa oh 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 be e tu me pasi no te quito no mai soa papangu siliva ku o si pai o si ene kai papangu siliva ku o si pai o si ene kai papangu siliva ku o si pai o si ene kai
Malo pito e mau whaka mali e ko e tu ko ni whahoka te whahoha ko ni hanga tonu ia pe me he loto wharekoloa I he tawhake showroom pia ko tau mua ko ni e howe ki mo tau kainga o kulahi au pito hono o ate ngahi tuaki whelawe I ko ia pe me ngahi me alele ka e peepuki ke koloa ko ia I he loto wharekoloa ka ko loto lelei heni a Razak ne lava ke o atu mono ngahi ata ke lava ke mea mai kai ai howe ki pa mo e kakaya whanua ka pau ka tai me ke whakaamu ai ke whakawakai ha o mea lele ko e kalasi kono ko ai he taini mi ai ko whamui taha ni ko o mai ko ia I he Beauty 50 pia ko ia ai o ku whawhei ki motolu e tonga kotoa ke lava peo mea mai ki he mea lele kono ku iloa ko e Beauty 50 pia ko e Master Beauty 50 ai a ko e tapolo kepi eni pia kai ke ngata ai te malava peo maua te kalasi ko e ni I he otometiki pe o atu I he manual ai kalasi koe no ko whatalatala noa koe ki ai. O kulelei au pito eni ha koe lahi taha hono whetuku e ngahi mea lele koe ni. Koe whetuku ia i he ngahi waa ke he kehe ai e pule anga. Pe guai pe foki mo ki nau tolu, o ku nau aveni kia ki nau tolu e koe whe mau tau taha. Koe a koutui koe tahane ai whainga maalia lelei ki he tonga kotoa. Ke lava ke mea mai ke roto wharekoloa koe ia e spare part zone. O wakawakai i he ngahi mea lele koe ni o kou whatalatala noa koe ki ai. Pea i kake ngata i ai kou whambe ke tānake tueni koe pōkiliwhi. Aonga pito e pōkiliwhi. Kia ki nau tolu koe ia o piai hanau ngahi warehouse ko hono whetuku koe ia ngahi uta. Kai pehepe whoki kia ki nau tolu ngahi kautaha waka. O mou whemau haa mou pōkiliwhi. Pe ko hataha pe o kuaha ne whaam ke whaatau hane whokiliwhi. O kwai e uta fo ou, o amanaki ke tau mai pia moia i he whokiliwhi. E toi ki lalahi ange ia i he kalasi ko e ni. Koe a kapauku ke whia mau ai ngahi koloa ko ni e hou eke mo tau kainga. Te ke lava lelei pe ke whaatala noa mai heni ki he waa ko ia ai tale ki tapa ko ne fika telefoni ko fitu walu ono tolu no noa. Fitu walu ono tolu no noa. Ko e tau wakai hono hoko ko ni ko e palau kalasi iki e ni. Mo mea mai peki ai ko e palau ko e ni ko e kalasi iki e ni pulawa ke mau tuku mai ko e wiko ki nau tolu ko ia o ku nau whakaamu ke nau whakatau ha palau ka koe ke aue i vi ki he tuunga ko kai ko ia e palau lalahi o ku kau ko ia ki hono lului. Pea ko ia e howek tangata pe he whakak nau tolu ko ia mi tōkanga mou whia mau ha mou palau ko e loto wharekoloa eni ai spare part zone te lava mea hanga tonu mai ai ki he palau ko ni o ko whatalatala noa koe ki ai. Pea ona ngalo whoki te lava peo whatala noa mai ke fitu walu, ono tolu, no noa e fika telefoni. Ko e fitu walu, ono tolu, no noa e tau fika telefoni. Pea la ve ia mo ngahi whakaiki o e ngahi koloa koe ni whahoka e whatala noa. Ko e mea lele koe ni ko iahe tainimi, ko e kalasi anu pilo ko e MG. Okay? Ai ko kalasi anu kuma o mai ki he maketi, pe au ku te kai ke fulahi ai kalasi ko ni i he maketi i tongani. Ka koe ko ia ku ke whaam ke ave ha o mea lele i he kalasi ko ni ko e double kepi ko ni ko tala noa ko ki ai ka ainga. Te ka lava lelei peo eva mai ki he loto wharekoloa ko ia ai spare part zone. Mo mea me pe ki ai kalasi ma o lunga lelei au pito eni. Pea whiunga eni ke te kinau tolu ko ia o ku manako ke he double kepi. Ko e mea hanga tonu me pe ki ai o ku i he loto wharekoloa ia ai spare part zone. Ko ia e hoek mo tau kainga hangen au lawe ko ki ai. Ka pako ki mau tolu o ku manako ke he ngahi sarote misini ko ni. Lava lelei peke ke whatala noa heni he tika telefoni. Aia ko e fitu walu, ono tolu, no noa. Fitu walu, ono tolu, no noa te ke lava ke eva mai. Ko tui ko e ngahi miniti pepa me heni. E tau wau tonu ai ki he tawhaaki ai steel. Whai whalawe ko ni ki he tawhaaki ko ia ai steel. Ke lava ke mou mea mai ki ai e hoek mo tau kainga. Ki he ngahi koloa koe no ku mau tuku atu. Te mo wakai mai pe ko e tahane ngahi misini kosi. I he misini kosi teke. O ku mau tuku atu pe au gai pe pa mohono tangai. Ki lava tāmaki ai ko ia ai veve. Pe ko musie. I he taimi ko ia o ku whahoko ai ko ia ai kosi. Hange pe nau lawe ko ki ai e hoek mo tau kainga. Ko e lawe ko ki tawhaaki ko ia o e ngāue hange ko ia ko e iate. Te mo mea mai pe ko e kalasi misini kosi heka ko na aku whaamatara ki mua he tau polokalanga nga maheni ko ia me kautahani. O kumao te misini kosi ko ni. O osi i he maketi e kalasi ko ni. Pea o ku lelei au pito. Whiunga ni kakinau tolu ko ia o kwaha mo bisnisi ko iate. Kono kosi ake ngahi e lia lalahi. Hange ko te tau pehe ko ngahi kolisi. Ko ngahi siasi. Ke aong apito e ai misini kosi ko ni ko lawe ko ki ai. Pea mo toki mea mai pe ka pai ai ha mo ngahi koloa. Te mo whaamu ke whetukua me kautahani. o ku laini peheni mau ngahi misin kosi he kalasi koia ai steel kawai peheni pe mo e mau mata koia ki he palau mo tolu koia na mo whawhaka eke mata koia ai palau o ku iai pe mo ia i he loto wharekoloa mo wakai hake peke tau ngahi misin waka aia o kuai e horsepower te au o kuai horsepower hiwanoa o kuai horsepower whanoa pa mo ni manoa o ku ihe maketi koe kalasi lelei au pito ai ngahi misini waka ko ni katinau tolu fe mau ke whawhetongi ko ia ho mo ngahi misini waka mo eva mai peke he roto wharekoloa spare part zone pe ko ho fetu utake hanga tonu mai peke fitu walu ono tolu no noa ko tui ko koloa whaosi pe ko loto ke whakalave ko ki ai ko e misini vekiu me ko ni o iloa ko e steam vacuum cleaner ki lanu koko ko ni ku lolotonga i ai he tainimi ko e misini vekiu me ko ni o ku ne hanga o to'o ai uri o ku maanga taa a hono fufulu hange ko te ulave ke ngai uri ku tau i he sea ko i whare ngai sea ofisi hange ko ngai sea ko o me alele e ho e ki mo tau kainga o ku lava lele ki misini vekiu me ko ni o to'o ngai uri ko ia hange ko la iraki ko ngai whamolu ko e mohenga he ko steam vacuum cleaner o ku lahi au pito hono e ke pena iai lewa e whakakaukau ke lava ko e whainga maali e lelei eni ke mea mai ke ai e ho e ki mo e tonga kotoa e he tau misini vekiu me ko ni o ku kalasi ke he mau ngahi misini vekiu me ka ko kalasi lelei eni te mo wakai ki ai ko e mea taha ku mahu inga ko ia e ku kau whataha mo tik mo tolu i he houani pate mo mea mai pe ki he shelf ko ni o ku iai e koloa steel i he ngai koloa steel i he tawhaaki lewa i taha o kuai ai ngahi kongkonga ko ia o i koloa steel aia o ku atu ai ko ia ai whaafika te mo tolu ka iaha taimi e mau ai ho ngahi koloa steel o ku mau osi ma teu mau tolu ki hono ngahi pia lava ke whawhetongi pa mo ngahi kongokonga ko ia o ku mau ko ia i ho koloa steel o ko wanga lewa o ake te mo tolu ka inga whainga maalie ke lava mātāhanga tonu mai ko nailoni o ku kalasi kehe pea pehe ke mata ko ia o e misini kini kawai peheni e ngahi roll ko ia nailoni pea pehe foki mo ngahi koloa kehe peheni e whelave ia pa mo koloa steel te lava mau ia i he loto wharekoloa ko ia ai spare part zone ko tui ko e taha ia mea mahu inga ko loto ke whamamawhai i he waa ko ia ai ta whaaki e steel he kulahi au pito e ku whaakatala noa ki he koloani ka au ku sisi e taimi ko ia ke lava ko ia ke o atu hangahi ata pa ko nuk mo mea mai peki ai whamalolahi at ke tonga kotoa he tau kau whataha ko tui ko e ki whainga maali e ia na e malava ki whai ai haki eva mai ke he loto wharekoloa ke ki mo tolu ko ke i tālai whiri te lava pe mo mea mai ki he ngahi mea lere ko na whamatala ki ai o kwai e uta fo o amanaki ke tau mai pe pehepe ki he uta fo o ki he fōkiriwhi mo ngahi mea lere ki he kehepe kau pe mo ngahi koloa ko ni ai steel ka mo whato ngā iange ka iai hao toi fie mahu inga pito ke tala noa mai ke waa maketi ai koe fitu walu hono tolu no noa pe ko fitu taki mai ki he fitu valu ono te koe valu ua ono tautou nima ko tui koe ki whamafono ma kehe pea ko lava maa e whainga maalia ko ni halafue kai hoko ate tau pulo kalama malo au pito
Tau kolosi anga tono i vehe ki a pālavi malo
malo pito e mau whainga maalia pea ko tui koe momeniki eni ku hoko lelea tai pea ngai whamafona koe ni pea me he loto wharekoloa koe e spare part zone pe kuai ai pamalo lahi ke te motor ko to pe koia mo me ama he ka polo kalama ko e pega mali ni lava ke u patala no ai heni ki he tau ke te koia razak o kuna heni ai I he howani. Thank you so much for your time and I'm very happy to have you along and you surprised me this morning. You actually surprised me this morning. But anyways, I just wanted to give you a chance so you can introduce yourself before we moved on.
Hi, I'm Hanif from Babau. I'm an elder brother for Mr. Muhammad Razak, the owner and director of Spare Parts Zone. I'm so pleased and super proud to be here today and joining in celebrating his success story for his 30th anniversary. Mr. Razak's success story is from rags to riches. One amazing person, and he deserves every good thing because he has worked so hard to be where he is today.
Can you please share a little bit, back in those days, since you were a kid with him, on this very beautiful moment?
Yes, we grew up together. We had siblings of 6, 2 sisters and 4 brothers. And me and Razak is 3 years younger than me. So we did everything together every day. Fishing, riding horses, learning how to ride bicycles. It was just amazing moments grew up. And as I said, we did not grow up with much, but we always grew up with a dream to be successful. And to be successful, you dream and you wake up and you work hard to get that dream. That's what my brother did. Always working hard from very young age. You could see in his eyes hunger for success. Always the hunger. Those old days, unfortunately, we can't get it back. We cannot. But we didn't have much, like I said, but the love and the bond we shared, 4 brothers and 2 sisters, amazing. Growing up, eating on the same plate, sharing the same clothes, going to same high schools, basically chasing same girls. That was amazing.
Thank you so much, Sunny, for that very great sharing that you have done. And I wanted to say thank you so much for your time. What did you think when you grew up with Razak? Did you ever think of seeing yourself and Razak today?
Of course. Of course we did see that. That's why he is here. That's why he is here. The sacrifices we made. Like I said, we were not born with silver spoon. The sacrifices we made, the hard work we made, staying very young, staying away from the families, chasing that dream to be successful. He was like a young man, growing up with a dream, with a vision. Like I said, he had nothing. We had nothing. Our dad was a builder, carpenter, barely surviving. But absolutely the sacrifices our parents made to send us to school, that was a huge, huge difference. We can always vision our mom walking mile away to do her laundry, those days. But unfortunately, she's not here to take the fruit, the benefits she would have got now. She would be she is a proud mom looking down on us today and thinking how far my kids have come. And heads up for our parents for making those sacrifices, which me, my brothers, and our siblings are bearing the fruit today. God bless them. God give them a highest place in Jannat al-Firdaus.
Thank you so much, Sunny, for the very beautiful sharing from family. And I'm so sorry if I went too far, but it's a great thing. Although it brings tears, but it is the tears of joy that we're here today. But above all, people of Tonga, the funny thing about these families, they're not even actually public in sometimes. And I have experienced that with Razak. Whenever I'm around with him in public, a lot of people is like, who is that person? Who is that person? But at the moment, I think the people of Tonga would realize that the brother right here, it's Sunny. Sunny, is there anything else that you would like to share that I haven't asked before we finish up?
I'd like to share one thing. A little boy walking down the street, he looks at spare parts zone, he can dream. And to achieve those dreams, we know it's a lot of hard work. Where if you see where Razak has come from, you will not believe where he has come from, where he started. Walking 6 miles to school barefoot, never complained. We don't know what is a complaint. Never whinge. Always chase those dreams. Believe me, if he can do it, we all can do it. We all can do it, But we have to persevere with our dreams, work hard with our dreams, and love. Always keep your feet on the ground. Always on the ground. Always feet on the ground, and always share your wealth with the beautiful people in this country. The love they have given us in Tonga, in Babau, the love they have given us, I swear to God, I have never felt this emotional and this much love in my life. I live in Babau, the beautiful part of Tonga. The love the people, I could walk in any house in Tonga, in Babau, and have a meal and share a meal with my brothers and sisters there. They are absolutely awesome. Tonga, I heard it was the most friendliest island in the world. Now I believe it is the most friendliest island. We love you, and we love you forever.
Thank you so much, Sani, for your time. I'm really happy. I'm really glad. That was a very good sharing of you, and thank you for your time. Ko tui ko e kakatu ki whamatala ma ke he klava ke si vahe I he houani pia mo tau kete ko ni ai talekita pe ko Mr. Razak. Ai aku ne tau e tolu noa no whailonga e ne whahoko whatongia. Ko vahe mali ko mai ko ia I he houani. Ko ne tala noa whelawe I ko pa mene whae. I he ne lui ngai maile ko whahoko e fō e whanau. Ko nau lue lai vae ki hako. Ko uhinga ia nau heni ko I ngai ahonu. Pa ko whawho whaia pito ne ngai whamatala. Ka pau klava I e Razak. Ka pau klava I e Sani o whahoko e ni. Mo tolu ko mea mai. Ko hame ka ke lava I ai. Ko tui ko e ki whamatala no pea whamalolai ka te mo tolu. I homo mea mai I he tau porokalama makehe ko ia. I hono whailonga I ai tau tolu noa ko ia kau tahani. Ko tui ko ngai minutsi pa me heni. E whahoko lewa ai hui ko ia e tau lulu. Aia o kutoko lahia ki nau tolu. O kake nau whaatatali. Ke he ola ko ia e tau lulu. Kai malo pito homo mea mai e kalapue. Ka tau whoke to ai hoko ate tau porokalama.
Malo apito e palapasi pe hangepe ko ia mo mea mai ki ai ho e mo tau kai ngatonga aia oku ke tu laida tu pe ka fa fatongia ko ia pompongini me he loto falikoloa ka uma faki tu ako ni falikoloa ko ni spea ba so no tu fa to nga he mea ofa ko ni ko e fa ho ko pe ki fa tau I loto falikoloa me tau tari ai pe foki ki he toho ko ni e tau lulu monu ia Aia ko lulu monu ia ko ni ki he tau palau kai o maafo ki ko palau ko ni hangepe ko yak mo mea I alat fata pe mono mata kini pe a ia pe mo fangi pare ke pe aia e to ki fa hoko atu pe I he kamata ko ia e tau lulu monu ia ko ki he ahoni hangepe ko yak mo mea I kai pe ke holo I vi ai ka fa fatogia ko ni ai ka ta ko ne spea ba so na tau tolu I hono tu fatu ko ia ngahi koloa ko ni mea ofa ko I whakahounga ko ia kautaha I spare part zone tau tolu I he pongpongini ka I he taimi tatau pe whakamalo ai peke tau live band I he whakalelea mai ko ni I he tuliki ko ni I he teniti ko ni ai kautaha ko ni spare part zone pe hangepe ko ia mo mea I ho ekpa mo tau kai ngatonga mo mea mai wa tau funky I finger food ko tau funky snack ko ni ko funky mini burger ko ia mo tau funky pastry o ko to atu pe mala he o pito funky mea to ko ni mo tol ko na fa hoko mo fra tau o ale va te ke foki o heka ho mea lele ka ke vakai me ke te niti ko ni ta fa anki ko ni aia o ko mau I he ta whaaki koe ni o kuia I e tēni. Ti koe ki te aha tēni ti I tu aka koe. Tēni ti koe ni o tuku atoe ngahi mea ofa koe ni koe whakahounga. I he hosia koe ne makamaile tau tau noa koe ia ai kau tahani. Mea mai pe koe na koe palau ena.
O whonga koe ni nau lawe koe ki ai he tau polo kalama. O ku nau lava mai me ngahi whonua ke he kehe. Ke lava ke katoa ngai mo whailo ngai koe ai tau tolu noa. Thank you Tonga for tuning in and I'm very happy that everyone is here in Spare Part Zone to celebrate the 30th anniversary. We couldn't provide or please the whole Tonga. So at the moment here in the shop, we're running some few giveaways and we're also doing a discount 20%. But at this moment, I have a very special guest, and I'm happy to have you along on the show. And before we moved on, I just wanted to give you a chance to introduce yourself to Tonga.
Thank you. Yeah, really glad to be here. And my name is Sashi Kant. I'm from Raisa, Australia, based in Melbourne, Australia.
Is this your first time in Tonga, or you've been here in Tonga?
I'm a regular visitor to Tonga, and I've been coming here from possibly about 1990.
So when was the last time you were here again, sorry?
I was here 5 years ago.
5 years ago. How do you see Tonga?
Tonga's changed a lot. It's actually changed from what we were, in those old days. We had the Ramanlal Hotel, Dateline, all those things have changed. The whole sort of sculpture of Tonga has changed, and I can see it's more thriving, and it's very, lively now as compared to those days. But I've seen this place grow, seen this place change, and I'm glad to have been like a part of the journey.
Sashi, I've been heard about you a lot of time here at Spare Part Zone, and it's also nice to formally meet you. My name is Lavi, and I'm taking care of the marketing department here, and I'm doing my best here to advertise the company, and I've been with the company for like 6 to 7 years at the moment, and I'm very happy to have you on the show. So right now, I wanted to share with you some few things. I wanted you to explain and share some very important things, like how you are here today. You're here because of the 30th anniversary. How do you feel?
I'm really excited, to be honest. It's an experience to be part of this 30th celebration. It's like when you plant a seed and you see a tree grow. I was actually helping my friend Razak when he started this business. He needed some guidance, some help. I provided that with stocks and goods and guidance, and it's nice to see him grow. And his business now has become one of the biggest in town, and you feel so good to see someone have succeeded. And I just put it all down to his hard work and dedication. He's a man that once he set his sights on something, he gets it done. And I know all along the way I have been like not only a supplier but a guiding light. And he always respects me as an elder brother, so which is good. And I'm really happy to see that he's celebrating the 30 years.
How long have you been working with him, doing business?
I've known him more than 30 years, but I've been excuse me. I've been working with him 30 years from the day he started.
That's a lot of years. I think I am very happy to finally meet the people that they all support and stand behind him to where he is today. And in that 30 years, how do you see him?
He's still the same. Humble, straightforward, a man that does not take any BS from anyone.
Comparing from the last 30 years, and even I know you, like how you said that you've been helping him out through his business, how do you see right now? Did you guys ever thought of today, back in the days?
I don't think we ever thought that we would reach this milestone, but I can see that through perseverance and hard work, he's got himself there. He's doing really well, and I'm really happy for him. I'm really happy for him that he's been able to achieve this stature in the time, and I feel and I can see that his business right now is actually one of the best ones in town, and I think he's going to go ahead, like going further. This is not the end. There's still a lot to happen.
Thank you so much. Working with him is unbelievable, and like I said here, I'm one of those staff that I am grateful that I have a seat at the Spare Part Zone staff, and as you said, it's growing really well. And is there any last word that you'd like to share before we end up?
All I can say is go SPZ. They have been doing, they've been doing leaps and bounds, and I wish them all the best in the future.
Sashi, I'm very happy to have you along, and thank you so much for your time. Ko tui ko e kakato ia e tau ki whakataratara noa koe ni, hangena ulawe koe ki ai. Sashi is one of the backbone supporting 100% with Spare Part Zone, and not only that, he's also like a brother to Razak, and I'm so grateful. Thank you for your time again. Ko e kakato e tau ki whakataratara noa koe ni i he hauani, wai whamalo lahi ka te motore, kau whataha mai i he hoa whafofa koe ni. Ko tui koe ngai militi pa meheni e lava whakahoka koe e tohoi e tau lulu. Kai malo a pito ho mo mea mai. Fue, whamalo atu ka tau hoko at malo.
Malo a pito e palavi pe a hange pe ko ia mo mea mai ki ai o ku iai te hai wakai ko i a miniti si be me heni hange pe ko ia ko e wakai ko ni ki anga tu e tau ngai polo kalama e ahoni o ku iai amanaki e kamata e tau lulu ko ni ki e tau palau i a miniti si be me heni
E mau whainga maalie ko e hoko lelea te pehene whakatala noa ko ia i he hauani pe mo e si kau whapoponga ko inu kunau lava mai ko ia pe a mei tua pule anga ko ki nau tolu ia o kunau si tokoni lahi au pito pe a mo hoko ko e huitu aeni o e poupou lahi au pito ko ia ki he to'o whatongia ko ia Razak pa mo ni ngawe anga. Thank you so much for your time on this morning, and I'm very happy to have you along the show. All I wanted to say here, can you please introduce yourself before we moved on?
My name is Sandeep Agarwal, and I've got my business partner Hamid Patel here. We are based in Auckland in New Zealand, and we are very excited to attend the event tonight. And we congratulate Razak Bhai and his family and an entire team of Spare Part Zone on their 30th business anniversary tonight.
Is this your first time here in Tonga, or you've been to Tonga?
This is my first time. Hamid has been here before, but I think yours is the fourth time here, but this is my first time.
How do you feel about here in Tonga?
Well, I feel like home because basically I'm from India, and I see the environment, the culture here is pretty much the similar from where I come from.
Do you ever think of yourself coming to Tonga sometimes in the future?
You mean to settle here?
That would be lovely. That would be lovely.
No, I would like to come back again for business and also for general holiday with my family, maybe at some point in time.
That's a lovely news to hear. Let's come down here to talking about something very important here. Can you share how long have you been known, or how long have you been with Razak?
We have known Razak for the last 1 year, and we are basically in the business of making cabinets in Auckland. We do kitchens, we do wardrobes, vanities, and we also do porcelain tiles and bathroom ware. So we have recently furnished Razak's new home, and we were very happy to attend his housewarming function last night and meet the family. So that's where the relationship began, but we're looking forward to more business and grow the business relationship with him.
How do you find this man here?
The family?
Yes.
Very loving family. Especially, I met his wife last night for the first time, but I met his daughters, and a very lovely family.
Since you said that you're actually helping him out with the finishing of his house, I was very, very excited to see all these beautiful cabinets or anything that you had been decorated with the house. I didn't even know it was something from overseas. I just thought it was all made here in Tonga. But building this relationship with him, it's really good. How do you see and do you feel inviting you to join the 30th?
No, I think it's a great honor for someone like Razak Bhai, who is very well established in Tonga and a very high-profile personality and a good name in Tonga. And we really feel very honored to be here, invited on his business anniversary here tonight.
Is there anything else, your last word?
Yes, I would like to congratulate once again Razak and his family and all his team here for achieving this milestone, and I wish that all the success and happiness for future.
Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoy. And when are you going back?
I'm leaving on the 9th, and Hemit is here till the 10th. He's leaving on the 10th.
I can't wait. I know it's a long time, and I bet you're going to enjoy your time here in Tonga. And thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
Ko tiko e kakato e tau ki whatalatala noa ko ia i e hauani. Ka pana mo mea mai pe ki he ngahi whamatara ko ni nei tuku atu. Ko e ngahi kakai mahu inga au pito e ni ki he tale ki tā ki hono toko nia e ne teke ko ia e ne whahoko whatongia. Pea hange pe ko e mo mea mai ko ia ki he ngahi whatalatala noa. Pea mo e whafofonga ko e ni. Ko ia ia kune toka ngai ai ngahi tawhaaki ki he ngahi nau whare. Pea kuna whengawe ake no osene e tau e taha pe mi ai. Pea ku fia ke lava ke kauwha taha mai i hono whailo ngai ko ia ai tau toru noa ko ia e aho ni. Hangai pena ulawe ko ki ai ki mua he tau polo kalama. Ko e kau wholau toko lahi au pito eni. Ta tau pe whaamiri wha ofi. Pea pe heki ne ngahi kau ngā mea o kuna whengawe aki tau te whito i he pislisi. Ko tui ko e kakato e ki whatalatala noa i he hauani e tonga kotoa mo mea mai he tau polo kalama. Ka aloha pito ka tau whoka tui halafu e.
Malo apito e pala pasi pea malo apito e whawhatongia mai pea mei he loto whare koloa ka ko ia i he loto ngani whoki ma i tū ai mo tahe kau kastoma ko ia e pompongini. Ko e taha puene kau kastoma ne kau i he whakatau lahi au pito i he whare koloa koe ne spare parts on pea ko e kau whataha mai koe i he pompongini koe uhi koe whakaungongo ki he lulu monu ia koe ni ai palau koe ni ko tuipe mahalo e aonga lahi au pito ia ki he hoa e tō taha koe ni ai ko se tita. Ka koe ai se tita whewheha o ngoi i he pompongini pea moho o mea mai koe ni ki he loto wharekoloa koe ni ai spare parts zone.
Malo au pito halafue o ko ngoi langi ia. Koe foha e tale kita na e hau o mai e kuki lan. Sia mai a halafue. Koe falani koe kepi. Ka o ko saia e kautaha koe ni. O ko saia au pito e kautaha koe ni. O mau ngau e ak nau tolu he whakatau e mau u me a lele. Pea ko saia pe he foha ko rasaki a rian o kuanga whakatonga au pito a rian. Talu e ku ilo i a rian mahalo tau nima pe ta awono. Ka kua mau hoa rian. Ko kawe ni he kautaha maka mo on. Ko me a lele whanau ko ota pe mei hen. Pa mo au pe na u ki i muhu mo rian. Malo rian na hao mak me a kai. Mo sia mai a kakai. Koe ki me ana u whakatau, kai o mai koe whaluku en. Koe ai, mo mai ka Rasaki. Ko Rasaki, he's a good businessman. Mo mai, if you want something, come to Rian. Rian is a good marketing like Lavi. Okay, people? Mo this is a good company. Koe kautaha ni au ota e mau mea lele, ilo lele pe Rian. Koe ai Tonga, mo sia maia. Koe mea kai mo hafua. O whaat mamani e?
O whaato malo apito se tita pea koe ai te tau kolosi hanga tono i pe heki a pala pasi ki he loto wharekoloa. Talitari mai ai pea mo i tale ki ta Mohamed Razak pea mo pala pasi. Malo lavi.
Malo pito e mauwhenga mahali e i he polo kalama pea guai whoki ai fia lahi. Ko hiku o ta wa tueni ki he whaos o singa ko ia katoa ngai ai tau tolu noa. Pea ko e houani, ko tiko tahana hou a whamawhana au pito mo fia. Ko hui uklawa ai ke i heni ai e ku pure, Mr. Razak, i he momeniki ko ni. This is a very hard person to find, especially in public. And since he's around in public sometimes, a lot of people have been questioning this man here. And finally, I'm grateful after these 6 or 7 years been working with him. He's out of the shell, so everyone would see him. So if you see around this person, this is the director of Spare Part Zone. And I would like to say thank you so much for your time. Before we moved on, I just wanted you to introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Razak.
And how long have you been here in Tonga?
Actually, I've been in Tonga for last 35 years.
35 years you've been here in Tonga. What do you see in Tonga? Because I know for sure that you can move to anywhere around the world. But what makes you stay here in Tonga?
Especially when I first landed in 1990 in Tonga. I just loved the place as it is. People were so friendly to me. They were so nice that it never let me feel to leave Tonga again. So that's why I'm here till today for last 35 years.
Did you ever think of yourself that you're going to be in this situation today?
Well, my express that I can't feel that we have come up to 30 years in business, and everybody knows in Tonga that my majority of my staff is all 100% Tongan, and that's where I come from, to love our Tonga, love our people, and I mostly employ my own people to give them more better, to become more better in the future.
In the last 30 years, can you share when you had your own shop, and did you ever thought of, I'm gonna be there? The last 30 years, you can you share how did you come up with this beautiful, awesome dream that built Tonga for now?
Well, first started in 1994, a very small place, but I always have a vision of mine. After visiting Singapore in 1995, I started to have a vision that I need to build something for Tonga where people have more vision to see a company growing big in Tonga, where the young generation coming up to pick up and move to build our Tonga more better, more beautiful, as we are doing today. We express our most sincere thanks to our government, all our people, all my customers who have supported me for last 30 years, my suppliers who have supported me for last 30 years, and I think going and doing right thing, that's your main entire of your life. When you do something right, definitely 100% is your success.
How do you feel today? Well, for me, I'm very over the moon to feel like this, because I've been just working for you for 6 to 7 years. But for you to do this, how do you feel about celebrating your 30th year?
Well, I'm in the same passion for last 38 years, and not leaving this passion because I really love what I'm doing, and everybody knows that where to find Razak. They will know to find him always in the office. I'm here to help my people. They're here to ask me. I'm here to help them. With my service, with my knowledge, this is where we are today. And I sincerely thank to each and every of my Tongan families, brothers and sisters, my parents who has given me a good education, good knowledge to build this where we are today. And I hope my family, my kids continue to grow this as many more years to come for them.
Any last word?
Lastly, I would say to each and everyone, this is a 30th anniversary of the company, which I never thought that I will last for this long in this country. But thanks to God, to the people of Tonga, thanks to my suppliers, thanks to each and everyone who has contributed themselves in this company till now. The words that goes to express this SPZ cannot be coming out without my staff. Their main role playing in this is the staff who has played the biggest role to build this SPZ today where we are. And I'm very grateful to have my staff beside me as a family to grow this more bigger, to let the Australia and New Zealand to see that when they come to Tonga, there is a New Zealand and Australia in Tonga. And we are proud to bring the excellent service, work that we do, education that we have, education we give it to our customers. We know that we are not perfect, but we give the best to all our people of Tonga. And I love you all and hope to see you in future. And anything, if you are listening the program, please do come help yourself. Free drinks, free food, and enjoy the time we are having today.
Thank you. That was Mr. Razak, been here to Tonga since 1994, and he has been with his business for 30 years. And not only that, it's just a touch-up. He also helped out some of the Tongan students with a scholarship. And I think that's about it. Thank you very much, Razak, for your time, because I know you're a very busy man. Ko tui ko whakatalakala no ma ke hea na lawa ke vahe ko ia pa mehe tale kita i he ni Tonga. Pe hangepe ko mea ko na ulawe ko ke ai e ka inga. Ka pau e ulawai i he tale kita whahoko ngā aue ko nio tuuloa e ne ngā aue. Ka whewhea i ko e pa moa au. Pa ko ia e koe whamalo lahi ko tui ko kakato ia. Ko tui ko minutipe pa mehe ni e lawa lewa ke whahoko tau lulu. He ko ilo peo ko ape tai mi malo apito e halafue.
Malo apito e palavi kai o mafoki ai tarekita ko ni kautaha spare part zone Mohamed Rasa ke I he ngahi ngamatala ko ia ki he tukunga ko ia ngai ngawe ko ni kautaha ko ni spare part zone na tautolo ko e fale koloa kongokonga me alele pe mo e service ko ni ho ngahi sario te misini pe a pe foki ki hono to kwatu mo ngahi koloa ke pe faka pe ka atono pe mo o sario te misini. Aia koe hangepe koe mo mea mai ki ai ai fia e ka koa fia e ka o ngā we koe ni ai kautaha koe ne spare part zone e auto saver I he pompongini. Oku I kai piki ha holo ia he wakai koe ni ki he ka o ngā we koe ne spare part zone. Oku kei lele I matangi pe ai ka o ngā we koe ni I hono se via tu ai taha ko to ape nau ahia mai e loto wharekoloa koe ni e spare part zone. Mana tui, o kui kai koe inu pe koe ni o kutu kwa tu e kouki, pe pe he poki ke fenta pe mo Friday, o kuto iai pe mai mau fukula koe ni. Aia koe ta whaaki kono mai iai mo moana, o ku iai fukula loa, aia o ku iai ai Budweiser, pe mo hapa whenga pia o ke pia maa o koe tawhi o hosia ia, te a ke tari ai pe koe heni he tēni tiki, a manaki koe ia ke toho e lulu monu ia koe ni, koe palau, alot whataha mohono matakini. Aia koe, wai pe pangai mea ofa ke he pe, ka I he taimi tatau pe, mau inga pike ke mea mai, a ki mou tolko toa pe, o ku mou kau mai koe ni ki he lulu monu ia o e aho ni. Hange koe ni ihi koe ia ne mo whakatau koe ni talu mei September o mai malatui ko September pe ki he aho ni. Ai au nau kau koe ni ke lulu monu ia. Ka koe wani o ku whakatahataha ke kau ngā we kau maai kau whakawhe. Ko stufa pe nau whalani spare part zone. Lanu Gray. Ke nau kau ngā whakamoni I ai lulu monu ia koe ia e pompongi ni. Pe he poki ke kau taki koe ia ne nau whola mai pe a mei to pure anga. Nau whengawe aki whakataha me kau taha koe ne spare part zone. Nau whakatahataha tu ke ta whaaki koe koe e talamu. Talamu lulu koe ni. Ko haitene I kuna ai palau koe ni. Aia koe palau koe ni ho ekpa mo tau ka inga mo osi mea I pea to tongi koe e palau o ku lau mano pe te a ko haia na ne whakamoleki e ne whakatau pa anga tolungi au, pe ne kau ke lulu monu ia ko e ni o ne hikuna ka koe hange koe whakawhi iha midi te si pe me heni e ka mata lewa e tau lulu monu ia ko ia ki e aho ni ka kulotonga whatataha te kau ngā we whahoko e nau i mista pea mo e tale kita ko ia mo e kau whaia mo e kau whakawhi ko ia o e pompongi ni.
All staff here, please make away outside here. We're doing a very quick photo.
Hange pe ko yak mo mea I aya ko no whahoko e ni hono ui ko kau ngā we o whai ki I tā whakakatoa ai tale kita ko ni e kau taha Wasaki kau taha ko ni ai spare part zone aya ko Mohammed Razak pea pehe foki ki he kau ngā we o kumau ta alo fie fia ai am nau ta alo fie fia ki he whaita I he howani pe he foki ki he live streaming ko ni ai kau taha ko ni ai kataki ai Tonga broadcasting live streaming I he howani ko e whaamuia I he pompongi ni ki he kau ngawe ke nau lava mai ki tua whahoko ai ta whakakatoa ko ni taien ko e ta whaaki u whai ai whaita pea ko ia ko e lolo tonga ni ia aia ko fia au pito kau ngā we I he howani ka e o maa foke e toi maholuanga e fia ai tale kita ko ni kau taha spare part zone Mohammed Razak ko hi ko au sia ko ne maka mai le tau tau noa ko ia ai kau tahani ko ia I tāni ai kula patuaisa ka taki ta apuni whakalelei aia ko hanganoa kau whaita ia I he lotongani I he tā whakakatoa ka koi ai tāni whetukuak pe o whakataki aia ko e howani ia aia whamalo ai pe ki he kautahani I he lolotongani pea ko ia I he howani taha ua tolu ko ia smile fia ia e kautaha ko ne spare part zone en auto saver I he howani aia ko ha miniti si pe me heni e kamata rewa e tau lulu monu ia ko ia ki he tau palau Malatu I moto kona whahoko mo whakatau ok a tā pe e tau te niti koni whakahounga tu whatu kona ho mo kepi ko o whakamalo kai o maafo ki a ho o whalani ko e whanki I free finger food ko e whanki mini burger, samosa, pe he foki ki he whanki mea tokon ke he pe. Lava ke mō mao. I he hoan mo tau ice kirimi, ko tau ice kirimi tai totongi I loto pe he loto wharekoloa ko ia ai spare part zone. Aia ko e whainga marie ko e ni ho eikipa mo tau kai ngā Tonga. A whea mai ai loto wharekoloani he houa ko e ni. Pea ka pau peu koe ki aha o mea au I whakatau. Wafe mai pe ko ke tēni ti o ko ke lahi pe ai ngahi stoka koe ni whalani ai kautaha koe ne spare part zone na tau tolu. A manaki fo ke toi whakamawhola te hoa e whiawhia aho ni. Ai whaelonga I ko ia ai tau e tau noa, maka maile tau e tau noa ko ia e kautahani. I he holo ko ia whamana, holo ko ia social so where kakala ko ia mo pātere si o whinau I e korisi a po I a e whiawhia. Pea ko ia ai manatu I misini kini, misini kosi, moha whahinga misini pe, aia koe kalasi misini kosi koe ni o te heka pe o whakauli ai. Ka ko ia, tau wakai heke taha tau ngahi wa mo DJ, pea kahiri ko ia tau taltari e peka pala pasi ki he tau lulu mono ia, malo.
Ko tui ko e whainga marie ni ke lava ke whahoko e tau lulu. Ai au koe e whaafeni ka te kumotolo kotoa pe, mo kau whakahama I he tau polokalama. Ko e ngā mili tipa mi heni e toho lewa tau lulu. Ko taini miklo tonga I hene tale whakaha pea mohono foha ki hono bilohi ia a e tau talamu ko ni o iloto e ngā tikite e whaafe tupu. Ko e amanakien ke tohoi ai hikuna ko ia I he lulu ko ia e tau palau. O waile mai whakaafe ni ki he tōtaha mahu inga heni te lama whahoko no toho ko ia e lulu. Whamalo lahi ka te kumotono mo mea mai pa mei he le teo tonga uloaki mo le teo tonga wa kau whataha whakiai pa me live stream ko ni ai le teo tonga. Ko e te pikuna I he lulu ko ia o e palau. Ko I kuna I he lulu e palau. O kumau ia Sevioti Junior me sopu. Valu fitu valu. Valu nima whataha. Ko e lulu. O kuikuna ia Sevioti Junior me sopu. Valu fitu valu. Valu nima whataha ai fika telefoni. Koe whainga maari lewa koe ni hange koe tu uni koe nei whahoko. E pau ke whai e whetutaki ki ai. Mahino pe koe lai ne wai palopalema ka pau ke whai whetutaki ki ai. Ki he ikuna koe ia a e tau lulu I he howani. O kulolotonga whahoko ai whaongongo. Malole lei? Whewheha ke I he hoatani.
Oku sai pe maro.
Ka ko haia ni ko whatara noa ke ai ka taki.
Ko sevi.
Sevi ka taki wha mole mole whahoha a koe ni whahoko angatona tia pe me he wharekoloa spare part zone. O ku gai ai ki I ongongo le lei te lawa tukat ma koe I he houani. Koe huina whahoko ho whakatau pe ai ki tikite. Pe aku tohi ai hingoa koe ni ko Sevioti. Pe hefo ke whika telefoni. Koe haho ngoi I he houani ko koe ke ikuna e tau fu palau pāpera koe ni. Pa mi he kautaha spare part zone.
Ko pito mo fia o pito mau pate ko ni ke Christmasi. Ko te ka me o fia ko malo la ni. Fa ko lo mo ka ka spara so ni. Ma fe na mari ko ni ki. Ma to ru ke maura ke mo no ai. Fa maro ke pure mo ka nga we. Fa na mari ko ni pa ko re pe ke kai ki na to nga we ke te fa re ko ni a nga mo. Tonga koto api ko I maro.
Malo apita ko e momia mai pe ko e ikuna e kulawa whai whatalanoa hanga tonu kia te ia I he laine pe ko ate whamalo lahi apito I he hoatani ko e hui ko e ola sevi whataongi te ke mau ha hoata lelei fia pa motala monua atu whamalo mau pe I ho whatau pa me kautahani ka kisi nofoa. Ko e tūlewa ko e ni te tau hoko atu ki he tau lulu hono hoko. Aia ko e lulu ia ne ikuna ki he tau koloa steel. Ko e koloa ko e ni ko e misini kini. Pa ko e kalasi fo ou au pito eni. He ko e uhi. He kaite ke toi hela hano ngau e aki ha pensini. Whawhe I heni a e tōtaha ke ne hanga ko ia o tohoi a e tau tikite hono hoko. Ko Faria. Aia ko e ofefine eni o e tale kita. O kune lava mai ki he tau talamu monu ia koe ni ke tohoi a e tau lulu hoko koe lulu koe ia ki he e tau misini kini whakauhila koe ni pa koe misini whakamaka koe ni. Faria, this is a chance for you. Duck in and good luck. And give me that lucky name for today. Koe e tau ikuna koe ia ki he e tau misini kosi. Ko te vita Moimoi, tataka motonga, valu taha, taha, valu taha. Whikai telefoni, koe valu taha, valu taha. Te vita Moimoi ia pa me tataka motonga, ko ia kune ikuna a e tau misini kosikini whakamaka koe ni. Pea kutoe lewa pa moe toko taha, kai pau ke whakahoko e whetutaki hanga tonu, hangepe ko ia na e lave ko ki ai I he tau ngahi tutuuni na e o mai ko ia ki he e tau lulu. Kai ki mua ke tau taitali ko ni o kwai e whamalo lo to honga ia ka te motoru whakataha o ku mea mai ko ia ki he tau polo kalama. Pea o ku whakahoko whahanga tonu pe eni ke lava ke fair enough ke taha kotoa pe. O kwai e whainga maali ko tau whetutaki ai ki he tōtaha I kuna. O guai e whenga maali e heni, ko talamai he tale ki tato I tā pe, toi whetutaki pe, pe he pe a Razaki a, toi whetutaki pe. Koe hui koe ke tali mai ai whika, pea koe ni o ku talamai he tale ki tā, si whoaki pe pare ki ai kai tali ki he moni te. Au kai o pehe pe loto ia ai tale ki tā koe ni moko moko ma upe. Ai hele pehe, we're waiting for the last draw. So who's going to be honored to do the last draw on this draw for today? Sunny, come here, uncle. Run to me. Shake hand with me. Who knows who's going to be the winner?
Yep.
Go yai, go in. You're in trouble right now. You're just in trouble. Ko e whangamali ni ki he taokete ko ia tale kita. Ke ne lava tu ki he talamu kono toho I mai I kuna whaka osi o tau lulu I he hoatani. Aia kune lolotonga I loto he talamu e ni ma kono lulu I o to mai ai kuna. Pea koe tokotaha ko ia o ku ikuna ko ia ai tau pare whaka osi. O ku alu ia ki a sele tau whakaloto I he fitu fitu ni manoa ua fitu ua. Sele tau whakaloto fitu fitu ni manoa ua fitu ua. Do you still want me to call or I'll still give the prize to that person? Te fitu taki be. Malota te mau ki hoa tāni, ka taki wha mole mole lavi me spare part. Ko si wha hoko at koe ni ku alatonga tonia I he le teo tonga ulu akipa mo I ua. Ka taki wha mole mole te lava peke ke whaiwha ilo aki mai o hingoa. Whewhe hake sele I he hoani. Ko e uhinga lahi pe whaoha koe ni ko la vei pe nei whahoko ho whakatau I he whanekoloa koe e spare part zone. Pea o ke ikunai ai mi sini kini whakamaka ko e ni. O ko haha o ngoi I he whetu taket koe o ke ikuna I he houani. Maloa pito e sele, ko tupe ka pau ke whanongo mai o guai e whaingamali e kia te koe ke lava mai he moni te, ko hono ave a ho o pare ko ia I he misini kini koe ni o kuke ikuna I he hoani. Ko tui koe kakato ia a e tau polokalama lulu koe ni kai ki mua pia kakato. I know Razak, I didn't give you a chance to talk in this moment. We had a chance before, but I just wanted to give you this moment so you can say something here. Regarding with the draw today, and then we're going to round up our show. Thank you.
Thank you, Paulavi. Firstly, thank you to each and everyone for coming here today, visiting us, Spare Parts Zone, enjoying yourself with the ice cream, free drinks. I hope you have enjoyed the Saturday from morning till now. Finally, we are going to be closing very soon. If you are listening, please come along. You will have a 20% discount on each and every item. In the meantime, you will have your food. If you have some beers you want to drink, it's a very hot day today. Cool yourself with nice beers and soft drinks with ice cream. Thank you. Love you all. Thanks very much to each and everyone.
Ko tui ko e kakato ia ai tau lulu ko ia I he houani. O kutoe e tau miniti e wanoa. Ko whaamanga miniti e wanoa ko ni me alere ko toa pe o kulere hake ko ni miniti e wanoa. Awhi ma ai hafoi ai skilimi. Whakatau heni pa me whanakoloa Spare Parts Zone. O giai pia mo e discounti pe seti e wanoa. Ko tui ko e tahaia o e ngai whamama ak ma watu atu. Thank you so much, Sani. Pia ko ia e ko e ngahi whamataranga tōna ko ni le teo tonga uruaki mo le teo tonga wā. Kau whataha kia live stream ko ia ai e kautaha.
You know who win the tractor, right?
Pia ko ia e ko atai whamalolahi ka te kumotolu I he taua. Kau whataha ko ia I he kongani. Ka tau whokia ka halafue. Ke lava ke whakakakato mai ai ta whaaki ko ia ko. Me ngai mini tipi pa me heni e kakato a e tau polo kalama. Me he le teo tonga uraki pa moe waka pe he whoki ki he tau live stream. Whafafonga e pe e whamaloa ka te kumotolu. I he taim ta tau pe o atu e whakatau. O ku kei iai pe heni ai tau whalani, pe he ke whakamalu, ka uma a whoki pe mo e tau tata, ko e tau pia, pe he ke tau wini o ku tufata e totongi ia. Ka mamia e DJ ha tau fo I hiwa, ka tau hoko atu he api pe tau tai mi malo.
I have every right to mess up that song. I have every